Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in FreeCAD. This part is an email from a friend who suggests that I do a tutorial on this part. Okay, it's create join. Okay, let's start. Oh, sorry, by the way, if you have joins that you don't understand about the basic modeling, you can send them to me by email. But I want to expand that my understanding of FreeCAD software is also in its infancy. Therefore, problems will not be solved, and I project to you in advance. Okay, let's get started. Create a new file. We select Part Design Workbench. Create a new body. Create a new sketch. We select XY plane. Okay, create hands. Make the point concentrate onto the line. Make dimension 100. Okay, finish the sketch. We leave the sketch. Then pad length 20. Okay. Then we select this face, and create a new sketch. We create new sketch. Make dimension to point is 38. $24. Okay, the sketch is falling straight. We leave the sketch, then we select pocket length 10. Okay. Next, we select this face and create a new sketch. External geometry. Create circle. Make dimension circle 12. Okay, leave the sketch. Then we pocket dimension tab through all. Okay. Next, we select pocket and pocket 001, 2. First, select the pocket, then select 01. Select. Then we pad pattern. Select Z number 3. Okay. Next, we select this face and create a new sketch. Okay, we need external geometry, constraint tangents. $24. Okay, the sketch is falling constraint. Leave the sketch. Then we pad length 30. Okay. Next, we select this face and create new sketch. external geometry, create a circle, make dimension is 12. Okay, leave the sketch, pocket, dimension tab through all. Okay. Next, we create a new sketch. We select the YZ plane or XZ plane. Here, XZ plane. Select here. External geometry, this line, and hide pocket. Make dimension 25. The angle is 118 minus 25. Here, line. Okay. Make the sketch. Okay, the sketch is constructed fully. Leave the sketch, then we select pocket, tap dimension through all, symmetrical to plane. Okay. Next, we select the pad, pocket, and pocket 3. Select it, hit, then we pan the number 3. Okay. Next, we create a new sketch. We select XY plane. Then we hide the pattern, create a circle, dimension 14. Leave the sketch, then we hide dimension type up to face. Select this face. Okay. Finishing. Change the color. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.